Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 50, part 1. Adding facts, the sums of 13 and 14. So today we're going to learn which addition facts make sums of 13 and 14. And we're again just using single digits as the add-ins. So we already know that there are two of the sums. Okay, one is a doubles plus 1 and is another as an adding 9 fact. So the first one is 4 plus 9. And the second one is 6 plus 7. Our final fact is 5 plus 8 equals 13. Okay. So if I wanted to prove that, I could count up on my fingers. I could use objects. Either way would work. All right. And of course I can do that backwards. I can do 9 plus 4, 7 plus 6, and then of course 8 plus 5 equals 13. Okay, what about the 14 facts? Where there's just 3 of them that we haven't done, and 2 of them we've already learned. So the first one is 5 plus 9 is 14. And the other is a doubling fact, which is 7 plus 7. The last pair of numbers with the sum of 14 is 6 plus 8. Okay. Again, if we wanted to prove it, we could count up on fingers. We could also count objects. Okay, so we could also write those the other way. 9 plus 5 equals 14. And then 6 plus 8 equals 14. And of course, 7 plus 7 is just the same, so I don't need to write it down again. All right, so you need to practice your facts, these new facts, as we practice. Okay, so for the next part of this lesson, it's another problem-solving one. And for this problem-solving, we're going to be making an organized list. So this says, Riley has a cup of pennies and a cup of dimes. Show all the different ways he can make 45 cents using his dimes and pennies. Okay, so what we know is we have 45 cents, and we're going to use pennies and dimes. Okay. And it's asking us to show all the different ways he can make 45 cents. Okay, so we're going to, first of all, I know that 45 cents tells me that I can use 4 dimes and 5 pennies. Okay, so that's one way I can do it. Now I can show this as a different way. Okay. What I can do is I can trade one of my dimes for 10 pennies. So if I take 4 dimes and I trade one, I would end up with 3 dimes, and then I would have 15 pennies. Okay. Another way I can show this is I could trade another dime. So if you see, my dimes keep getting smaller by 1, and my pennies keep getting bigger by 10. So 2 dimes and 25 pennies. And then I can have 1 dime and 35 pennies. And finally, my last option would be I could have 0 dimes and 45 pennies. So by making a list and looking for a pattern, we can see all the different ways to make 45 cents using just dimes and pennies. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.